Hey, what's going on, guys? Monday about 10 o'clock, or 10:30, I should say. There we go. Got a, excuse me, 2000 F-150. It has a noise, so I'm gonna hook it up to the scan tool and see what's up with it. All right. First of all, we gotta verify the concern. Let's see, get this thing. All right, stick shift. Sounds pretty good. This thing has 180,000 miles. For some reason, it's not showing up on the dash. No big deal. All right, let's go to the scan tool and see what's up. You hear it pretty good. Alright, going through its process. Come on, focus. There we go. There we go, that's better. Try to do it on the phone. Alright. Let's pull codes real quick. It almost sounds like bell train, but it also has a misfire as well. Let's see, 325. Knock sensor, imagine that. Alright, let's see what power balance is. It's running raw, but seems like number 2 and number 6 might be a concern. Let's do relative compression. Alright. So number 2 is down 1%. So what we could do to the customer is ask him if he wants to keep the vehicle, and most of them say yes, because new vehicles are very expensive. Or put a motor in it, or remove both valve covers and check the valve train. But with 180,000 miles, even if we do find a broken rocker or something grounded down, then we're married to it. I think it's just better off putting a motor in it. And it's getting louder and louder. So we just got to talk to the customer and see what he wants to do. I wonder if I could cancel the injectors. I don't think I could do it on this one. Yeah, I won't be able to do that. Let's see if I got. Let's see. Oops, didn't want that. Get a longer. yeah, with these older models, it doesn't give me too much to deal with, but yeah, what I could do is pull a spark plug on each cylinder, see what it is, but obviously I can't film it. Need one hand. Yeah, I could, but no, I'm not gonna rush it. I'm pretty sure with 180,000 miles, it's best to put a motor in it before it quits on them, but it's up to the customer, but that's what I would recommend. Alright guys, it's about almost a 7-minute video. Pretty slow in the shop today. I got an engineering marble right here, a contour. Boy, what a fine piece of art. Boy, this thing is high mileage too, 180,000 miles. And I told the customer just drain out the fluids and put it in the museum. Can't believe it lasts this long. So, yeah. So, alright guys. Hopefully more videos on the way. Alright, see you guys next time.